Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro specs, pre-order date, and also the price of both the devices. My last video was about the iPhone 12 mini pre-order date and also about the spec sheet of that particular device, which has been shared by a leakster Kang on its Vimeo account, and also the Ice Universe has backed that leak as well. According to the leakster, he suggests that the iPhone 12 is coming with a 6.1 inch of Super XDR Retina display with a similar design like the iPhone 11, and it will be having the same style and size of notch on the front. The iPhone 12 Pro on the other hand is also pretty much similar with the iPhone 12, and it is coming with same 6.1 inch of OLED Super XDR Retina display and same notch like the iPhone 11. And according to the leakster, both the devices are having a new gloss screen protector on the front, and this new gloss protector is going to be protected with a ceramic shield which will increase the hardness of the gloss. It means that the next iPhone 12 series is going to be much more of a resistance to drops. While moving on towards the back side, we have the main difference between both the devices, in which the iPhone 12 is pretty much similar to iPhone 12 mini. It's coming with a dual camera setup on the back side, while the iPhone 12 Pro is coming with a quad camera setup on the back side with main camera, ultra wide telephoto and lidar scanner on the back side. According to the leakster, there is an upgrade over the main camera sensor of iPhone 12 Pro, and this device is going to be coming with a 7p of a lens inside, which means that this device is going to be pretty much having a large sensor instead of the iPhone 12. The telephoto lens, which is coming inside the iPhone 12 Pro, will provide you 4 times of optical zoom inside, according to the leakster. Internally, all devices are coming with a 14 Bionic SoC and also a 15 watt of fast charging in all the devices. The difference is come in the storage option. The iPhone 12 has a storage option of 64 gigs, 128 gigs and 256 gigs of internal storage, which is similar to iPhone 12 mini, while the iPhone 12 Pro is coming with 128 gigs of internal storage, 256 gigs of internal storage and 512 gigs of internal storage. So clearly there is a difference between the storages. The base model for the iPhone 12 is 64 gigs and the base model for the iPhone 12 Pro is coming with 128 gigs of internal storage. The base model for the iPhone 12 is coming with an $800 of a price tag, while the iPhone 12 Pro is coming with a price tag of $1,000. So lastly is going to be pre-order and the launch date of both the devices. Well, the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro are pretty much coming with the same date. The October 16 is going to be the pre-order date for both the devices, while the sale starts on October 23. So guys, that is it in this particular video. My next video will be regarding the iPhone 12 Pro Max launch date and availability, so do check that video as well. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.